Namaste, I am Vishnupriya H. from Chennai. This is the month of Margazhi. In this month, we will celebrate Margazhi Mahotsavam by reciting Tirupavai songs for each day. Today is the first day of Margazhi month. I am going to recite first Tirupavai, Margazhi Tingal in Ragam Natai, set to Adithalam. Margazhi Tingal Madi Nirainda Nannalal, 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 Neerada Podumir Podumino Neerilayir, Neerada Podumir Podumino Neerilayir, Seermalgumai Padi Seermalgumai Padi Selvachirumirgal, Seermalgumai Padi Selvachirumirgal, Kurvil Kodum Thorilan Nandagoban Kumaran, Kurvil Kodum Thorilan Nandagoban Kumaran, Erandakanni Yeshodai Ilam Shingam, Erandakanni Yeshodai Ilam Shingam, Karmini Shangan Kadirmadiyam Pol Mugattan, Narayanane Namakke Parai Taruvan, Narayanane Namakke Parai Taruvan, Paror Pugala Padindilurim Pavai, Paror Pugala Padindilurim Pavai. Thank you.